Okay, so this is a little update as to where we're at. We've fitted all of the power electronics to the aircraft, and we have the instrumentation fitted, and so we're just going to walk it through firing up the system. So I'm going to turn on the master key switch, put it forward. It will bring up the system, or do some diagnostics, and display motor off. I'm going to go ahead and enable the motor controller for running. It will turn on the motor controller, turn on the contactors, and it displays ready down here. If there's a warning, the warning light will be illuminated, which it presently is, and so it is now ready for operation. To shut the system down, we would turn off the motor enable switch. That will stop the motor, turn off the motor controller, all the contactors, followed by the motor controller, and then the system is safe, safety, and the motor is off.